Hello, Health and Harmony family. Dr. Steinle here. Health and Harmony Chiropractic and Wellness Center is open. We are classified as essential healthcare in both the state of Colorado and at the federal level. So even in a time of stay-at-home orders, we will continue to be open to serve you. We are carefully following CDC guidelines to make sure we can provide you care in a very safe and sanitized environment. Some of the steps that we are taking include, last week we brought Kate on as a new team member. She has been sanitizing both the treatment and therapy tables between each patient. We've spread out our treatment schedule to create more social distancing between patients. When you arrive at the office, you can call Madison from the parking lot to check in. She'll let you know when a treatment room's available so you can come straight into a treatment room. We've eliminated the self-check-in. Instead, we'll check you in the treatment room itself. We've designated times for immune-compromised patients. So because of age or prior pre-existing condition, we've set aside times just for immune-compromised patients to come in. If you have been experiencing a fever, shortness of breath, cough, sore throat, we ask that you call the office ahead of time and we'll gladly reschedule you out into the future once you've been cleared and according to the CDC guidelines. If you've been around anyone with those symptoms or traveled and put yourself at risk, please also let us know and we will reschedule your appointment according to the CDC recommendations. In the office, we have plenty of hand sanitizer for you as patients. We as a team have been diligently using that hand sanitizer between each patient too. Those are steps that we are taking to make sure that your safety and our team's safety continues to be the number one priority. Now, in this time of uncertainty, we've seen a dramatic increase in stress. And chiropractic adjustments and the chiropractic lifestyle has been shown to help keep your nervous system strong and your immune system healthy. Strong nervous system so you can cope with the stress, and a strong immune system so you can stay healthy. Both are vital in this time, and there's never been a more important time to stay in alignment, to stay adjusted. We had patients last week that were adding extra adjustments onto this week just because of how important it is to stay healthy today. We had a story from a patient this last week, sad story, that she lost her boss in California. Now, he died from the coronavirus, not the virus itself, but the stress and overwhelm that it had put upon him. He had been in charge of a large group of employees who was working, who wasn't working, and they found him dead in his shower Wednesday morning. They suspect a heart attack due to the stress that he's been under. Our commitment to you is to help you weather this storm of uncertainty with your health and your well-being intact. Not just to get through it, but to get through it with your health and your well-being intact. It reminds me of the story of the Titanic, that when the ship hit that iceberg and began to go down, once people were thrown into those icy waters of the Atlantic, they only had 3 to 15 minutes to survive. And what's so sad is all around them were these lifeboats. And many of the lifeboats were what? Yeah, they were only half full. So there was room to get people out of those deadly waters and into the lifeboats. And as a patient here at Health and Harmony Chiropractic and Wellness Center, you are already in the lifeboat. You've been doing things to keep your nervous system and your immune system strong. And our commitment is to keep you in the lifeboat and to help you get your friends and family out of the cold, out of the uncertainty, and into the lifeboat too. We'll do that through the adjustments, our expanded hours to better serve you. We recently did a how to boost your immune system class. We did that 2 weeks ago. It was very popular. The noon class was full. We opened up an earlier class at 11 that was full. And since then, we've had a number of you that were at the class asking us to do it again for your spouses, friends, and family. And then many of you that weren't able to make the class because we did it in the middle of the day asked if we could do the class again. Well, we did schedule another class, and that one's also full, and we've really limited it to create that social distancing. So we'll be working to bring that content online for you in the future, in the very near future, to talk about how to live well, eat well, think well, and move well to boost your immune system. And remember, right now, just the best offense is having a strong defense, a healthy nervous system, and a strong immune system. The chiropractic adjustments have been shown to do both of those things. We look forward to seeing you soon. Until then, be well and stay safe.